Welcome back to Driveline. Brace yourselves, because what you're about to witness isn't just another SUV. It's the rebirth of an icon, a machine that defines status, strength, and sheer mechanical perfection. The 2026 Mercedes-AMG G63 has arrived, and it doesn't whisper power. It roars it. From the streets of Monaco to the wild trails of the Sahara, the G63 has always stood as a symbol of dominance. And now, in 2026, it's sharper, faster, and more intelligent than ever, perfectly blending heritage with futuristic performance. Design where legacy meets modern brutality. At first glance, the 2026 G63 remains unmistakably G-Class. Bold, squared, and commanding. But look closer, and the details reveal an evolution of perfection. The AMG-specific Panamericana grille, new HD Matrix LED headlights, and aerodynamic refinements give the SUV a fresh and powerful identity while preserving its iconic shape. The body stands taller and prouder, enhanced with carbon fiber accents, wider wheel arches, and massive 22-inch forged AMG wheels. Every angle radiates military-born toughness mixed with executive luxury. A true masterpiece sculpted for those who refuse to blend in. Performance. The beast beneath the badge. Under the hood lies a heart that beats with pure AMG DNA. The 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8, now with an integrated 48V mild hybrid system. This setup delivers an astonishing 612 horsepower and 850 Nm of torque, launching this 2.5-ton beast from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 4.2 seconds. The AMG SpeedShift TCT9G transmission ensures lightning-fast gear changes, while the AMG Performance 4MATIC Plus all-wheel drive system gives it traction that defies physics. Whether it's city streets or desert dunes, the G63 handles it with unshakable authority, thanks to adaptive AMG Ride Control Plus suspension and the selectable dynamic driving modes that range from comfort to trail to Sport Plus. It's not just fast, it's ferocious. Interior, the fortress of luxury. Step inside, and you're greeted by an interior that feels like a 5-star command center. The 2026 G63 introduces a new era of craftsmanship, Napa leather upholstery, AMG performance seats, and customizable ambient lighting that glows through diamond-stitched patterns. The new MBUX Hyperscreen, stretching seamlessly across the dashboard, brings every function within touch or voice command. From augmented reality navigation to AMG telemetry displays, the cabin feels like it belongs in the future, but with the soul of a timeless classic. In short, it's luxury weaponized. Technology and safety. Mercedes leaves no stone unturned when it comes to safety and intelligence. The G63 2026 is equipped with the latest Drive Pilot semi-autonomous system, 360 degrees off-road cameras, and active terrain detection, which can sense and adjust to the surface in milliseconds. Add in features like Night View Assist, Distronic Adaptive Cruise Control, and Lane Correction AI, and the result is a fortress of confidence on every journey. Final thoughts. The unstoppable icon. The 2026 Mercedes-AMG G63 isn't just about power, it's about presence. It's a declaration of individuality, a vehicle for those who demand everything: performance, prestige, and personality. Whether parked in front of a mansion or charging up a mountain trail, the G63 doesn't follow the crowd. It commands it. Because in the world of luxury SUVs, there's the rest, and then there's the G-Class.